أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I begin with the holy name of Allah, who is the most merciful, sustainer, the compassionate, the creator of all the things, and his blessings and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad and all his family and companions. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am very happy today because I have given an opportunity to share my views, my thoughts on the topic of effects of media. Dear listeners, today the West intends to defeat Muslims in every sphere of life, and the West has attacked intellectually through the media. The coin of universal supremacy of the West is being placed on their hearts and minds, and the new generation is being compelled in every possible way to believe that if they want to progress in the world, they should think their philosophy, civilization, and even religious beliefs as inferior. Consequently, they follow the best footsteps in every step of their lives. How best prepared to move the world? Gentlemen, let me know a brief overview. Dear audience, what is the economic failure of media? The concept of multinational companies have been introduced. Prosperity is unlikely to come from the system. On the contrary, poverty and stagnation are being created. The media has played an important role in the brainwashing. Nobody can escape the curse of victory. Capitalism is being promoted, the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. Respected teachers, the intellectual dimension of media, the doubts are being created among millions of Muslims through the media. The secular education is being promoted, it is called modern education. Islamic education tradition have been disrespected in Muslim countries and secular is being born. Suggestion of bias is being encouraged through the media. Division among Muslims is also spread through the media. This is the policy of the world, not to let Muslims be united. Dear audience, there are some ethical impacts of media. The media began to change moral values and tradition within society and implicitly. The idea of honesty has changed. The concept of chastity is being undermined in the form of Valentine's Day. Dear audience, we are not opposed to everything that comes from the West, but we must be cautious. These are some negative points of media. However, there are some opportunities for us to spread positivity and true teaching of Islam. Respected sir, in short, the example of bread and slice and knife is used to cut fruits in someone's neck. Media can save someone's life and honor by playing the role of judge. There's a short view on the impacts of media and its